G'day guys, it's Calvin from the Cartoon Company over in New Zealand. Just received an email from a man who's brought some of my wiring instructions and he's trying to wire up the DLC. We aren't going to call it the DLC connector because it's data link connector. And we don't need two connectors in that sentence. A data link connector. Trying to get I'm going to call them terminals. Terminals out of the DLC. And he's struggling. So the easiest way is let's do a real quick video. Pull some terminals out of the DLC. So we have, got my hands, can you see me? Can you see me? Okay, we've got the data link connector. We're going to remove some terminals so they can be moved around. So, I have my pokey tool. I'm going down here. So I'm going down the side that's closest to the clip. We go down there. We're basically running the pokey tool beside the terminal. There's a little lock. Do that again, shall we? Now, we pay attention to what I'm doing back here. I'm not doing this. That's bad because it's pulling the terminal into the lock. So that's sitting relaxed. In here, down we go. Do another one. And another one. In. Woo! I have not edited this because otherwise I'd be going. I had a bad one. I was in the wrong hole. Oh yeah, it happens a little bit. We're good now. Right, back we go again. And you don't actually want to pull all the wires out of the DLC because you kind of need it. But I'm just showing how to do it. And the last one. Oh bugger, I got all of them out. So there was a chance I may have been showing off there a little bit. Hopefully that helps. Either that or it just made the job a whole lot more frustrating because I made it look really easy. Talk to you again. Catch you later.